what's up you guys? It's Marissa from the Marbled Planner, and I have a super exciting video to share with you today. As you can see, I have this giant Erin Condren box. I also have another giant, less pretty Erin Condren box with something exciting in it to show you in a minute, but I'll have to grab the camera and we'll have to go to that one probably because I don't think that I can get it up here on my table and get it in focus. So anyway, I am now a part of the ECsquad, which is Erin Condren's affiliate program, and they were nice enough to give me a credit to get some stuff to review for you guys and give my honest opinions on. So they did send me a code to get most of this stuff. I think I ended up paying like $30 of my own money to get all of this stuff, but I'm not being told what to say. All opinions are my own, so that is very important. So here is the first part of the haul. Now I did open this just to make sure everything was okay, so I will show you the little overview, and then I'm going to get the box out of here so we can work with it. So do that really quickly. All right, and that's everything in this box. So throw that down. I'm going to do this last because it's kind of big. Let's just start with this big bulky thing. So this is the desk organizer set. I'm very, very excited for this. This is in the kaleidoscope print, as you can see. And here's all you get. You get a magazine file, a pen holder, a magazine tray, and a letter sorter. So this would be your magazine file. Your letter tray is like this piece right here. The pen cup is right here, and it has an X through it, so you can like corn off your pens or sort them. And then the letter sorter file is right there. Hopefully you can see that this is really pretty, a really nice, durable, it feels like plastic. So that is that I got. Next, I grabbed two pen holders because I have some folios coming, spoiler alert. So I got two gold pen loops just to have and to get an accessories discount, I think, honestly. And then I also grabbed the large adhesive corner pockets for the folio. I've used the medium and the large. Honestly, they both fit. The larges just barely fit. I mean, they're snug, but they do fit. So this just has the 3M background, and you can see you just make yourself a pocket. So that is that. And the two pen loops. Then we'll do this last. We'll do this one. I got the, hopefully this is even in frame, the desk pad, the monthly desk pad. So this is 17 months. It went from August to December 2020, August 2019 to December 2020, but that's fine. That'll just be a couple months I don't use, but it gives you this giant monthly spread here, and then this to-do list down the side, and there is a sheet of stickers, if you can see that, but every month is a different color. I am taking this to work with me. I am very excited. I had a Ray Dunn one, but I figured I might as well stay on brand and get this. And then when they offered me a code, I said for sure. So again, I'm not going to open this just yet. I will do a video once I get everything to school. These are actually coming to school with me too. I don't know if I said that. This organizer is coming to school with me. When I get everything set up at school, I am going to do like an Erin Condren like teacher set up video. So that is coming. But then we have this. This is something I have never tried. So this was, they wanted me to get a life planner with my credit, and I figured that I could get something I hadn't yet tried just so it would be new and I wasn't reviewing something that I already use. So this is the Softbound Life Planner in the kaleidoscope version. This is the A5 size, and this is the horizontal layout. Now, we are going to open this one up. I have not opened it up. I've seen videos, but that is it. So sorry for that crinkling. Ooh, I'll say that is not what I expected that to feel like, but I like it. It's like, it's a lot softer, which I guess it is a soft bound and not a hard bound. So like they're movable. If you can see that, it moves. Oh, I like this. I have the neutral life planner if you have been around my channel or my Instagram at all. So, ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. I like this. So anyways, what I was saying is I grabbed the colorful because I do like the colorful. Like I really love the quotes being colorful and like this being colorful. But I was worried with like sticker kits and such. And like this doesn't bother me either. Like that's cute. So I just grabbed neutral for like my sticker kit life planner, but this I think I'm going to use for like on the go in my purse planning is kind of what I'm thinking. And if not, if it doesn't work out for me to do that, then I will probably do, oh, what is it called? Content planning in this, like YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff, because it would be great for that too. So it is the horizontal spread. It goes Monday through Sunday every week. Then you do get a notes page before each month. You get a quote. You get this new dashboard set up with a blank page here, and then these boxes. This is a dot grid. You get the monthly spread and then the weekly spread. The colors do change in accordance with the monthly color of the typical colorful. And let me see, does this, yeah, does the hexagon change? Yes, the hexagon changes with the monthly color as well as that. So that is how the planner goes. You do get a ribbon bookmark, which is really nice for these. And then let's go to the back. Oh, the pages are gold sprayed edges, if you can see that. I hope so. They're very pretty. And then if we flip on back here, oh, the holidays, I just saw Halloween, so we'll talk about that. The holidays are listed in the weekly and the monthly, which is good. I need that in my life personally. And then let's go, oh, December 2020. Whoa, that is crazy. So Christmas will be on a Friday next year. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's a leap year. Yep, you're right. It's a leap year. So at the end, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 notes pages, and then a little in the coming year spread, and then a little quote and all of EC's information. So that is what you get with this. I like it. I really like it. I love it. I like the way that it feels, and it is supposed to lay flat. I'm not really wanting to bend mine that much, but I think that it would. I definitely think that it would. So I really, really like this. Again, it is Softbound, so I think this would be a great on-the-go planner. I think this would be a great content planner because for someone who, like me, who doesn't need like a giant planner, because I really only have Instagram and YouTube, except I am going to be starting a blog in the new year, so that's exciting. I'm hoping to do 2 YouTube videos a week, a blog post, and then, you know, Instagram pictures almost every weekday is my goal. So yes, that is this part of the haul, and look, these match, so that's cute. All the kaleidoscope, but that is this part of the haul. I will be running you to my office in just a minute to show you the other thing that I got. So thank you so much for watching this part of the video, and stay tuned. Alrighty guys, welcome to my dog and my floor, but this box is just so big that I can't do it any other way. So this is the second part of my affiliate order that they did send me credit to get. I also ordered this stuff during the sale. But if you recognize the size and you know Erin Condren at all, you probably knew that this was what was in it. This is the This Month Wall Center organization. So just give me 1 minute and I'm going to get it out for you. And then I did get an accessory, which is down there. So I'm going to grab this out for you so you can see it. Give me just 1 second. Here is the board. I will tell you that I got where's my finger, a Sunday through Saturday start, and then I just wrote this month at the top. I did personalize that color. I think it's turquoise. That's my favorite color. I got the white frame. You can get it in white or black, and I will have a separate video of me and my husband hanging this, so don't worry. And then if you hear that crinkling, the set of stuff that it came with, if it'll focus, yes. So all your hardware, all your instructions, more instructions, caring for your board, and then I just added this little cup that goes on there somehow to hold your markers. So that is it for my haul video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Giveaway coming soon. Head on over to my Instagram to see me using these products more. And stay tuned because there will be a Softbound Life Planner, how I'm using it. There will be a Hanging This Board video. And a teacher desk tour with Erin Condren stuff video. And more haul videos because I went a little crazy for Christmas. So that is that. I hope you guys have a great holiday, whatever you celebrate, and a great day just today. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.